to English with more feelings. Yes. And have to face each other when you are communicating. Bakit parang may backstory?
Nag-story po.
Okay. Sure kayo hindi kayo magkakilala? Hindi kayo nagkakasulubong sa hallway?
Nasusulatan ko lang.
Saan nasusulatan ko si Franklin?
Doon po.
Ikaw, sure kayo hindi mo siya...
Hindi rin.
Ayaw mo siyang sulatan? Gusto mo siyang sulatan? So first, number 1, please listen, Franklin. Next. Hindi ko na yung makita. Okay. Ano nangyari sa pasyente?
What is happening to the patient?
Ay, ano ba yung anak?
Ano nangyari sa pasyente?
What is happening to the patient?
Okay?
Nurse 2.
Mahirap ah.
Nakakain daw ng panis na pagkain.
Pag-brainstorming mo na.
Spoiled food. Spoiled.
Sabi ng spoil, sabi dito rotten eh.
Yes! Mamili ka na ng sentence.
Kailangan bubulong mo sa kanya. Nakakain daw ng panis na pagkain.
The patient has eaten a rotten food. Tama.
Alright, so the patient ate rotten
8.
food.
Sorry.
Yes. Alright, next. Nagdudumi at nagsusuka ba siya?
Is this person pooping and vomiting?
Okay, very good. Kahapon pa siya huling sumukan.
Yes. That's the variation they
It was yesterday that he has vomited.
Last vomited. Okay, and what's the last one? Mabuti naman.
So good.
So good talaga. Okay. Alright, thank you very much, Franklin and William, and this is your prize. Okay, and you will have more games later on. Thank you guys for participating.